So hello friends, as we said in class, I'm going to show you here the three cases of three different types of sentences we've been working on. So remember guys, we first have simple sentences, right? We have compound and we have complex sentences. In the case of the simple sentence, we just have a clause which makes sense by itself. It needs no help at all from another clause to have a meaning. Like in this case, he drove right up to Florida in 2 days, right? So it makes sense, so it would be a simple sentence, which is really easy, right? Now, we're going to see a compound sentence. Compound sentences are made by two simple sentences joined by a conjunction, right? This conjunction could be any of the ones we saw. Remember the fanboys? I guess so is one of them. And we have one clause that makes sense and another that does as well, right? Shane went out, so Carl left his brother alone. Forgot the period here, let's put it, okay? So this is a compound sentence. We have one and two sentences joined by a conjunction, right? Most of the times it is one of the fanboys, which we saw in class. Complex sentences, as their name suggests, are more complex, and they are made of two clauses, right? One that makes sense and the other that doesn't. So, as we can see in here, most of the times they will start by a conjunction, right? And they'll have two clauses, right? Separated by a comma most of the times. So, as we can see, we have the two clauses here. We have one that makes sense and one that doesn't, that we're going to call, that we're going to call subordinate and main clause. Now, how do we know a clause is subordinate? Remember that it will not make sense, right? So, in this case, if we say, when he handed his homework, we're going to start thinking, okay, this is a very incomplete sentence. I don't know what it is about, and it was not finished, right? So it is an incomplete sentence, which makes no sense. So I would say this would be the subordinate, yes, clause. And this would be the main clause, because it makes sense, okay? So please feel free to ask for further information in class, and if you don't understand, please visit the other videos we have in our blog. Good luck.